want to ask a question.
Yes.
So what do you think defines a better player? What do you think defines a better player?
What do you mean better player? In what context? Better player is what who can play in all positions better. Attack, defense, from white side, from black side. That is what is a better player.
You can play well in all situations.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Thanks. Fine. So now, see, the key thing is here. Okay, let us first see what is. So let me promote this bishop to e6. Yeah. What do you think? Is there any defense from black? See, queen g5 now does not work. Why it does not work? Because now queen takes d7.
Queen c1 check.
Queen c1 check now does not help because rook to d1.
Yeah, that is queen.
Yeah.
Wait, so what was the move that
Bishop to e6. White played bishop to e6. That is the move.
and why exactly does bishop b3 not work?
We saw that, right? Bishop to b3. We saw. What is the main thing that we saw? Queen to g5. Now, what do you think? How will you? Then we saw queen to c8 does not work because queen to c8, then bishop to d8.
Rook takes.
Rook takes d7, queen c1 check.
No. Before queen to c8.
Ah.
What about before queen to c8 and bishop to? Yeah. What about just rook takes?
Rook takes c7.
Yeah.
Right? Rook takes c7, then
Bishop takes.
Then bishop takes c7. Should we play or? Yeah, bishop to c7.
Queen takes d7.
Then queen takes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us see. This is interesting. Now queen to c1 does not work, right? Because of the bishop.
H6.
No, but black is one piece down, no?
Yeah, and black is on the verge of getting checkmated, by the way.
No, checkmate will be prevented by h6 or h5.
f7 pawn will also hang after this.
Pawn is also hanging. So let us see this again. Let us see this. Bishop to b3. I said queen to g5. I said was pretty good. What you are saying is rook takes d7. Huh?
What about bishop d2?
Bishop d2.
Yeah, before
how
this.
does? But why? I mean, you can always. Aren't you winning a piece? Why would you say bishop d2?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I think rook to d7 is a pretty strong move because black I don't see how he will be able to find the. He will remain a piece down. I don't see there is no way. Yeah, at least if the queen could come to f3 somehow, then there was a threat of this one. What you call checkmate on g2. But there is no way for the queen to come to f2 also. Let us go back and see. So bishop to b3.
So queen g4.
Queen g4, then queen c8.
Yeah.
So that is not, queen g4 is not good for bishop to b3. There has to be Queen g5 does not work. Huh? That was my actually pet defense, but that rook to d7 is too big a threat.
Sir, in the other variation, like after queen g5, queen c8 check, and then bishop to d8. In that variation, we saw that everything was equal. So, can you go to that variation?
No, but that variation is not possible because white is winning a piece here. No? Queen c8 he will not do. He will play rook to. Sorry, what was that?
Rook takes d7.
Rook takes d7. Then how will you? Then you will not get into an equal position.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us put the engine on now.
Yeah, it's a win for white. It's plus level.
So can we say the first move?
Yeah, engine is also finding bishop to b3. So Nandan, congratulations on finding another move. Okay, I was also thinking of bishop to e6 only, but you have found another solution which is equally good. Very nice.
So what exactly is the idea of bishop to e6?
Bishop to e6.
Blocking the bishop from the rook.
Yeah, bishop to
Okay, yeah. I see.
is interference, right? And threatening. If you don't take my bishop, see, whole idea was I was thinking queen to g5 is a good defense, and I'm not giving a chance for queen g5 because if you play queen g5 now, bishop will simply take this.
Yeah.
Right? So that is the whole idea.
So, but then instead of taking the bishop, why don't you just take the rook
Yeah, I can
and
take.
threaten checkmate?
Yeah, I can take the rook also, and then that is also there. That's what. So interference. That's why the whole point is I am forcing you. Basically, all these moves do not work. So forcing you to take with the bishop. But if you take with the bishop, now what happens is the d file is open. So I can go to queen to c8. Right now, there is no other option other than playing either bishop to d8 or rook to d8. Whatever you played. Now I finish the game here. Sorry, not here. Typo here. Now this is checkmate. So this was the whole idea that I thought of bishop to e6 being the interference. But
So what engine says after bishop e6?
bishop e6 also engine says that
It's also fine, yeah. Same advantage.
it is also winning plus 11. Right?
In both cases, it's basically pushing h5.
Yeah.
Regardless of
I
it.
think bishop b3 is more complicated.
Yeah. It is more complicated, definitely. Okay. Bishop to b idea of bishop to e6 is more simpler and cleaner. But that doesn't mean that is the only move. Bishop to b3 is also there because the key part is bishop to b3 also controls the d1 square. That is very important. As we saw when queen was coming to c1 and check and all, then you are getting a support of the rook to come back to d1. Otherwise, there was checkmate down there. But bishop to b3 was supporting that. That's the key thing. So yeah, I think you have found a brilliant move, Nandan. Great, fine. Now the next one we'll see. I think it should be much simpler. Next one, number 24.
Queen takes c6. Yes.
Yeah, queen takes c6.
Gordon's mate, right? Queen takes c6, bishop's crisscross mate. Queen takes c6, b takes c6, and then bishop to e3 is checkmate.
Yes.
Right? Way simpler.
So bishop to e3.
No. Why
Bishop to a,
Bishop to a
right?
a3?
a6.
A6. Sorry. Bishop to a6. Yeah. Queen to c6, b takes c6, bishop to a6 is checkmate. All right. I think that is that.
So what time control do you prefer for improving calculations and all?
I would say that now you should be playing at 15 plus 10 or something.
Sir, I play one chess.com 15 plus 10 every day.
Yeah. But just one game. Actually, your tournament should be, I think, 15 plus 10. So maybe
Okay.
Srishti, I think next week onwards, when you create the tournaments, maybe you should do 15 plus 10.
So if we have 15 plus 10, can we just make all the tournaments just Swiss instead of having arenas?
Yeah, we can do that. All the tournaments, we can make it Swiss. But instead of 7 plus 3, maybe 10 plus 5 is also okay. So maybe 15 plus 10 once in a while, but 10 plus 5 is okay.
Because
Yeah, because
arenas
15
kind of
plus
ruin
10
the
is more
point
like
of
classical.
Sorry?
So,
15 plus 10 is more like classical.
Yeah, that is correct.
so can we have like more tournaments?
More tournaments.
More tournaments, more.
We are doing 2 already every week, plus there are 2 optional, plus the other, some other Abhinav Chess Club I sent. So I think it is a lot of chess, right? It is.
So I think like 2 is a bit less.
we have
Why
4
is
over
Swiss
there.
not good, Nandan?
Those 2 are optional, and plus the games are not that long.
Yeah, but
Okay, yeah, those optional arenas are kind of, I mean, you get paired against.
Plus,
Yeah.
even in 10 plus 5, we get low on time pretty easily, like by maybe 20th or 30th move.
no, what is that? In 10 plus 5, what will happen?
We get, at least for me, I get under a minute only by the 20th or 30th move.
Yeah, and which is okay,
I
right?
think 15 10 would be great.
Yeah. So that
But
is
then we'd have to reduce the rounds from like 4.
Some people can basically like not play the moves and then.
no, I
make-
think let us try this. I think next week let us try both the Swiss on Wednesday as well as
Yes,
Saturday.
sir.
You have Swiss and you have it at 10 plus 5. So you have, everybody has got enough time. So
I think Swiss is better than normal ones.
Yeah,
Oh.
because arenas just kind of ruin the point of playing proper chess. You have to play fast and try
Yeah.
to get more games.
So you
done.
can
But
get more
on
points
Swiss,
in
what happens
one.
if you're 1 minute late? Then you have to wait for like half an hour or 1 hour.
yeah. Sometimes you have to wait. But
Nandan,
Yeah, I
Nandan,
don't think
just
Arena is the greatest
inst-
format.
listen, Nandan, you can just join beforehand, and even if you're late, your clock just runs down. So you'll have a 11-minute leeway
Yeah.
to join the thing. So just join before the tournament starts, and if you cannot attend, just let your clock run out. That's what happens if you can't make it.
okay, so I think let us try that out. Let us try that out next week. And then
Yes, sir. So can we like increase the number of tournaments?